षष्ठः पाठः सुभाषितानि. We are learning good sayings in this lesson. Let us continue with another two shlokas today. मृगाः मृगैः सङ्गमनुव्रजन्ति गावश्च गोभिः तुरगास्तुरङ्गैः मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधियस्सुधीभिः समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यं. मृगाः मृगैः सङ्गम् अनुव्रजन्ति गावः च गोभिः तुरगाः तुरङ्गैः मूर्खाः च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः समानशीलव्यसनेषु sakhyam. Here in this shloka they are explaining the value of friendship, as well as they explain that company of people depends on their quality. So people will go along with the people of same quality. We cannot expect one fool and one intelligent be together, or one bad and one good person be together. So here they say that depends on their quality they have their friendship. With example they are explaining like this: Mrigaha mrigaihi sangam anuvrajanti. Mrigaha, deers, are going along with the group of deers only. They are not going along with any other animals. Sangam means company. So they are going along with their company of deers only. Gavascha gobihi, cows go along with the other cows. And turagaha turangaihi, horses go along with the group of horses. Same way, murkhascha murkaihi, foolish people go along with other foolish people. And sudhiya sudhibihi, sudhiya means good or intelligent people go along with the intelligent one. Therefore, samana shila vyasaneshu sakyam, always there will be friendship along with the people of same quality. That is very important, to have same quality to be a best friends. If we do friendship along with the people of different qualities, that won't sustain for long time. Therefore, it is said that we can find the quality of a person by looking at the people around him or her. So depends on your friendship and a group of people you are going along with, people can understand your qualities. So with effort we must avoid bad people or foolish people, and we must stay along with the good one. Anvaya of this shloka: Mrigaha mrigaihi saha gavaha cha gobihi saha turagaha turangaihi saha मूर्खाः मूर्खैः सह सुधियः सुधिभिः सह अनुव्रजन्ति समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यं भवति. Deers go along with the deers, cows go along with cows, horses with horses, fools with fools, and intelligent with intelligent. So because friendship happens only with people of same nature or quality. Mrigaha, deers, sangam, company, anuvrajanti, follow, gavascha, gavaha plus cha, cows, gobihi with cows, turagas turangaihi, turagaha plus turangaihi, horses with horses, murkhascha, murkhaha plus cha, murkhaha fools, murkhaihi with fools, sudhiyaha scholars, sudhibihi with scholars, samana shila with equal nature or qualities, vyasaneshu habits, sakhyam friendship. Let us move into next shloka. Sevitavyo mahavrukshaha phalachhaya samanvitaha yadi daivat phalam nasti chhaya kena nivaryate. Sevitavyaha mahavrukshaha phalachhaya samanvitaha yadi दैवात् फलं न अस्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. Here in this shloka they are explaining the value of tree. So we must honor, respect, value the trees, big trees which have fruits and shadow. So we need to value those trees, because even sometimes by the fate there are no fruits in the tree. Chaya kena nivaryate. Who can avoid the tree from giving shade to us? Therefore, trees are very useful in any nature. Sometimes they give fruits, sometimes they give shades. Like this, they are very helpful for us. Therefore, we must respect and value the trees, and we must avoid cutting trees. Anvaya of the shloka: Palachaya samanvitah mahavruksha sevitavyah दैवात् यदि फलं नास्ति वृक्षस्य फलं नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. So let us move into the meanings. We must serve big tree which are filled with fruits and shadow. If fruits are not there in those trees, who can avoid the tree from giving shadow? Here big tree refers good people. By the company of good people, everyone will be benefited, even without money. So inner meaning of the shloka, that we must go along with good people even though they are very poor. So even those good people don't have money, they can help us and they can lead us into the good path. Therefore we must be go along with good people. Sevitavyah should be served. Mahavruksha, great trees. Phalachaya samanvitah, with fruits and shadow. Yadi, if. Daivat, by fate. Phalam, fruit. Chaya, shadow. Kena, by whom. Nivaryate, avoid.